Hey guys, it's Josh here in the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Just going to show you guys how to do a launch control. I got the camera zoomed out so we can kind of see what we do here, but we're just going to switch it over to sport mode. Holding this button, we're going to wait for that to beep twice. Okay, we're just going to mash the brake pedal all the way down, mash the gas all the way down, and then release. Zoom in. There we go. These little yellow things sticking up. There's another set exactly pretty close to a quarter-mile away. So let's do it. Right about there. Forgive me for the camera. It was pretty quick. Not bad, not bad. Alrighty guys, we're back. We're gonna do a few pulls here. Just gonna see the acceleration. Again, we're in sport mode still. The car is completely stock. I got the engine noise turned down. Turned off there, but coming back down. Climbed to 130 pretty quick. Pretty impressed. Sport mode. Let's see, we'll come back down a little bit. That's all also left in automatic. I'm not paddle shifting at all. Let's see, 70. Let's come back down to about 65. Give it another go here. Coming off, and thing climbed so fast, so quick. Pretty impressed with the Kia Stinger. They did a good job. Well done.